નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, this is part 3 of chapter 4 Heat, standard 7th science. In the last part we discussed that a clinical thermometer reads temperature from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Then after we understand how to read the thermometer and we understand how to measure our body temperature, isn't it? And in the last there was a confusion with Paheli that Paheli measured her body temperature. She got worried at it as it was not exactly 37 degree. So let's clear the confusion of Paheli. Okay, for that we need to go for an activity, that is activity 4.3. Measure the body temperature of some of your friends, at least 10, with a clinical thermometer. With the help of clinical thermometer, record your observations in table 4.2. See here, table 4.2 is there and we should write the body temperature. Okay, suppose a name of the person, let me zoom this first of all. Okay, suppose one of your friend named P and his body temperature is 37 degree, say 37 degree. Okay, it is in degree Celsius only. Then another your friend, that is Q, and his body temperature is say 37.6 degree Celsius. Okay, then another your friend, his body temperature is say 37.2. Another your friend, that is S, his body temperature is say 36.2. Another your friend whose name is T, okay, and his body temperature is say 36.8. and another your friend, and it may be the temperature may be exactly 37 degree, है ना, it may be somehow some more about means more than 37 degree or less than 37 degree. So these are maybe your readings. Let's go further. Clinical thermometer, is the body temperature of every person 37 degree? No. The body temperature of every person is not exactly 37 degree. So try to understand this. The temperature of every person may not be 37 degree. The temperature of every person may not be 37 degree. It could be slightly higher or slightly lower. It could be slightly higher or slightly lower. Actually, what we call normal temperature is the average body temperature of a large number of healthy persons. तो ये जो 37 डिग्री है वो कैसे आया? Actually, it is a temperature of average of a large number of healthy persons. Okay, it is a body temperature. तो large number of healthy persons होते हैं, उनका body temperature लिया जाता है, फिर उसका जो एवरेज है दैट इज 37 डिग्री. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं कि एग्जैक्टली 37 डिग्री होना चाहिए. ओके, इट मे बी स्लाइटली हायर, इट मे बी स्लाइटली लोअर ऑल्सो. लेट्स गो फर्दर. The clinical thermometer is designed to measure the temperature of human body only. क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर का उपयोग सिर्फ ह्यूमन बॉडी टेम्परेचर मेज़र करने के लिए ही होता है और उसी तरीके से उसको डिज़ाइन किया गया होता है. The temperature of human body normally does not go below 35 degree or above 42 degree Celsius. That is the reason that this thermometer has the range 35 degree Celsius to 42 degree Celsius. Okay, so this is your question also कि भाई क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर की रेंज 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस टू 42 डिग्री सेल्सियस क्यों होती है? देन दिस इज योर आंसर कि भाई द टेम्परेचर ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी normally does not go below 35 degree and above 42 degree. That is why the clinical thermometer has the range 35 degree to 42 degree. This could be your answer. Remember well. Now Buzo has one another naughty idea. Let's see that is what is his naughty idea. Buzo got a naughty idea. He wanted to measure the temperature of hot milk using a clinical thermometer. Pahli stopped him from doing so. What Buzo want to do? He wants to measure the temperature of hot milk using clinical thermometer. But Pahli stopped him. Why? Let's see. There is a question. Do not use a clinical thermometer for measuring the thermometer of any object other than human body. Do not use clinical thermometer for measuring the temperature of any object other than human body. Also, avoid keeping the thermometer in sun or near a flame. It may be break. देखो अगर कोई भी अलग ऑब्जेक्ट है जिसका टेम्परेचर सपोज 42 डिग्री से ज़्यादा होगा, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? योर दैट thermometer may break. So we should not use the clinical thermometer anywhere else than measuring the temperature of human body. Okay, let's go further. Now see, there is a laboratory thermometer. See, how do we measure the temperature of other objects? For this purpose, there are other thermometers. One such thermometer is known as the laboratory thermometer. The teacher will show you. And चलिए पहले इसको डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. Then after I will show you this thermometer. Okay. First of all, different types of thermometer are used for different purpose. The maximum and minimum temperatures of the previous day reported in weather reports are measured by a thermometer called the maximum minimum thermometer. आप समझे? तो वेदर रिपोर्ट्स जो कि क्या होता है, प्रीवियस डे टेम्परेचर, टुडेज टेम्परेचर, वो कौन से थर्मोमीटर से मेजर होता है? मैक्सिमम मिनिमम थर्मोमीटर. द नेम ऑफ द थर्मोमीटर itself is maximum minimum thermometer. Remember well. Now let's see this thermometer and its range. Okay, let me show you first. See, here there is a 1, here there is a 0. Actually this is -1. Okay, this is -1. Understand? This is 1, this is 2, like that. So actually it is -1, and in between there are 10 parts. How many? In between there are 10 parts. So actually this is 0, then after 1, and in the end you will see there is directly 100. See, you can see here, this is 9, here it is 100, and here it is 110. So actually see, there are in between 10 parts are there, small parts. So one part is equal to 1 degree Celsius. Okay, one part it is equal to 1 degree Celsius, and its range is from -10 degree. See, it was -1 over here na, it was -1, I told you, isn't it? So now 1 is what? Actually -10, 0 is 0, so 1 is actually 10, and in between the small part, that is 1 2 3 4 like that, so here 2 is actually 20. Why? Because at last you can see there is 9, here it is 9, and here it is directly 100. Okay, so actually 9 is 90, and this last is 110. I hope you must have got this idea. So let's go further. In your textbook also you will be able to see this thermometer. Now this thermometer, look at it carefully. So look at that thermometer carefully and note the highest and lowest temperature it can measure. That what we discussed. See, this thermometer you can see on the page number 38 in your textbook. Okay, it can measure the range of a laboratory thermometer is generally from -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Okay, that what we discussed. Also, as you did in the case of the clinical thermometer, find out how much a small division on this thermometer reads. That is also we discussed. You would need this information to read the thermometer correctly. Why? Because there is an activity. Now there is an activity 4.4 in which you will have to read this thermometer. That is why. Let's go further and let's see that activity. Let us now learn how this thermometer is used. So activity 4.4. Take some tap water in a beaker or a mug. Dip the thermometer in water so that the bulb is immersed in water but does not touch the bottom और the sides of the container. ये आपको याद रखना है. क्या है? सी, पहले आपको एक टैप वाटर एक बीकर में लेना है, फिर आपको जो थर्मोमीटर है उसमें डुबाना है. कैसे? तो जो बल्ब है, मर्क्यूरी बल्ब होता है जो थर्मोमीटर, आपको पता है, वो उसमें डूब जाना चाहिए. इट मस्ट बी इमर्स्ड इन दैट वाटर एज वेल एज दैट थर्मोमीटर मस्ट नॉट टच द बॉटम और साइड्स ऑफ द कंटेनर. चलिए आगे देखते हैं. होल्ड द थर्मोमीटर वर्टिकली. ऑब्जर्व द मूवमेंट ऑफ मर्क्यूरी इन द थर्मोमीटर. अब जैसे ही आप रखोगे थर्मोमीटर को बीकर में, देन यू कैन सी दी दैट जो मर्क्यूरी होता है ना, उसकी जो मूवमेंट है, यू विल बी एबल टू सी दैट. वेट टिल द मर्क्यूरी थ्रेड बिकम्स स्टेडी. आपको कब तक रुकना है? जो मर्क्यूरी थ्रेड है बिकम स्टेडी. नोट द रीडिंग. दिस इज द टेम्परेचर ऑफ वाटर एट दैट टाइम. अब जो रीडिंग होगा वो किसका टेम्परेचर होगा? पानी का. ओके, लेट्स गो. सी, जो हमने बोला वही है. आपको जो बल्ब वाली साइड है यहाँ पे इमर्स्ड मतलब डुबा के रखनी है. जो है थर्मोमीटर, इट मस्ट नॉट टच टू द बॉटम एज वेल एज द सरफेस ऑफ द बीकर. ओके, इस तरीके से वर्टिकली थर्मोमीटर को पकड़ना है और थोड़ी देर रुकना है. कब तक? जब तक ये जो मर्क्यूरी थ्रेड है वो स्टेडी ना हो जाए, फिर आपको उसका रीडिंग लेना है. सो हियर फिगर 4.5 मेजरिंग टेम्परेचर ऑफ वाटर विथ ए लेबोरेटरी थर्मोमीटर. चलिए यहाँ पे देखते हैं. In addition to the precautions to be taken while reading a clinical thermometer, the laboratory thermometer should be kept upright, not tilted. ये जो थर्मोमीटर होता है वो उसको अपराइट ही रखना है, देखो ऐसे वर्टिकली, टिल्ट भी नहीं रखना है, मतलब इस तरीके से भी नहीं रखना है, आपको उसको वर्टिकली ही रखना है. ओके. देन bulb should be surrounded from all sides. Bulb should be surrounded from all sides by the substance of which the temperature is to be measured. जो भी सब्सटेंस का हमें टेम्परेचर मेजर करना है तो उसमें इस तरीके से मर्क्यूरी का लैंप वो बल्ब रखना है, सो दैट के इट सराउंडेड फ्रॉम ऑल साइड बाय द सब्सटेंस of which the temperature is to be measured. The bulb should not touch the surface of the container. और ये जो कंटेनर है उसकी सरफेस, लेट इट बी बॉटम और सरफेस, कुछ भी वो टच नहीं करना चाहिए. ठीक है. वंस अगेन बुझो इज देयर. अब बुझो को क्या है चलिए देखते हैं. बुझो, now understand why clinical thermometer cannot be used to measure high temperatures, but still wonders whether a laboratory thermometer can be used to measure his body temperature or not. ये भी बात है कि भाई क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर को हायर टेम्परेचर के लिए नहीं उपयोग करना चाहिए, लेकिन ये जो थर्मोमीटर है लेबोरेटरी थर्मोमीटर, उसको क्या बॉडी टेम्परेचर मेज़र करने के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं, वो हम डिस्कस करेंगे इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. टिल दैट वॉच दिस वीडियो 2 to 3 times. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.